Oh, how's it going today there, YouTube? Well, got a video for you guys that I've been meaning to make for quite some time, but between working on trucks, getting snowmobiles started, and been kind of leaving you farm toy guys in the dark here all summer, but you guys know me, I usually do the toys in the winter time, so it's starting to kind of cold out, my foo bar shoulder's starting to act up, so I guess it's time to start doing some farm toy stuff. Anyway, got a little bit of a project here I did in the summertime. I built an auger for that Titan Turbo 2 combine that I bought from Jolly's Farm Toys there last winter, I think it was, but this time last year actually. And I kind of wanted to show you guys how I did it. So that's what I come up with. It does open. It's not perfect by any means, but gets the point across, I guess. And basically how I did that, I have, of course, copper pipe at my house because I'm a scrap guy. And then since we redid the plumbing at my house there when we redid it there a few years ago, I'll kind of show you guys what I come up with. So basically I took PEX pipe end here for plumbing, and it just slides in there. Then I used one of the little T's so I can get my auger action. Obviously I used a straight piece of copper for the real deal here. I'm just kind of showing you guys how I did it. And basically after I did that, I just trimmed off these extra little pieces here, and I trimmed off the extra little part there. Then I just did a little bit of sanding and trimming some stuff up. And kind of a little funny thing, I guess, I don't know if the camera picked it up, there's still a part number on there from the little PEX piece. I figured, well, I can leave that on there. If anybody asks me any questions, I can just tell them it's a John Deere part number. Basically how I attach to the combine, where the original auger goes through, there's a hole in the grain hopper, and I think that's actually just a piece of, I think it's just 1/4 inch steel I think I used actually. Had that lying around, so I sawed off a little pin and I just kind of put that in there, but it's not perfect, but you know, you can always improve on these things later on, but at least I figured that it'll work. And you'll see here on these little plastic pieces, they won't fit in the copper tubing perfectly, so I took a little bit of green painter's tape and just built up kind of like a little bushing, I guess, and a little bit of super glue, and I wedged it in there. And it seems to work alright. This is just 3/8 PEX pieces and just copper pipe, so nothing too special, but it does work and looks alright on your 1/24 scale John Deere combine. I still want to come in here and build some railings for this though, but that could be another job. And you never know what's going to roll onto the project table this winter. I kind of do want to do one of these here on my John Deere calendar. I want to do a 1/16 8960. So I don't know if anyone's got a casting for one of those sitting around that you're looking to part ways with. I want to do the 1/16 version of that, and I want to go and put the I think they're the 4840 precision duals all the way around. So that'd be a good looking tractor. I think it might be a good idea to do this winter, but never know what's going to happen. So anyway, if you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, and subscribe.